How to restore and maintain Suprema handmade sinks. In this video, we will show you how to restore your Suprema handmade sink. This is how our sink is looking prior to restoration. Firstly, use warm soapy water and a soft cloth to clean the sink. Wash off soap suds and dry off with a soft cloth. If stains are still visible, then the next step is to revive the surface. The next steps are only suitable for handmade sinks with a satin finish, not suitable for polished deep-drawn sinks. Use a commercial grade scouring pad and holder with a handle to apply even downward pressure and scrub in a linear motion in the direction of the stainless steel grain. Continue to do this on the entire drainer area. Continue to do the same to the top surface. And the bottom of the bowl. The same application can be applied to the outlet. When you have scrubbed all surfaces, wash off with a soft cloth and warm soapy water. Rinse and dry off with a dry soft cloth. Now the sink is looking as new. We recommend wiping the sink dry after each use to maintain optimum appearance.